all you beautiful mamas, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. If you guys are new, welcome. I hope you guys stay a while. I hope you stay and you click on that subscribe to join this YouTube family. And to all of you that are already subscribers, welcome back, you guys. I hope that you enjoy this content that I'm going to be showing you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the supplemental items that we are going to be using for math. And these are hands-on items. These are books that we're going to be using and some games, I believe, as well. So I hope that this is helpful to you guys and I hope that you guys enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you this Usborne Illustrated Math Dictionary book. Now this is for your younger elementary aged children, and it's really cool because it walks you through everything you need to know about math. So this is a really great resource to have. I mean, even for yourself if you've forgotten some of the rules just over the years. Now, if you guys are interested, I do sell Usborne books and I will have my link down below just in case you're interested in any of the books that I'm showing today. So picked up this cool little math spinner. This was at the dollar corner at Target this year. So my daughter loves using this. It's perfect for the family charts. Instead of using your family charts, you can tell them to do it on here and they figure it out on here. I think that it's just fun and hands-on for them just to use their hands and, you know, instead of it just being on paper or on a computer. Next thing we have here is the fraction flashcards. I believe I either purchased these from Amazon or Rainbow Resources. I'm not sure, but I will try to link them down below. And what it comes with is it comes with 3 different boxes. So you have the fraction objects. So it'll actually show you by pictures what fractions are the red marbles and they'd have to figure it out that way. The answer is on the back here. They have the fraction word problems. I'm sorry, I'm out of the frame here. I didn't realize. The next one is the fraction word problems. And then it just says, what fraction is this divided into? Halves. So that's more of like a brain buster type deck. And then we have the fraction shapes. So it's the actual shape and then they have to say that this is 1/2 and it shows 1/2 on the back. So there's 3/4. So it's pretty cool. So the next thing we have here is our place value flip cards. This is from, I want to say Rainbow Resources or Learning Resources. I'm not quite sure, but I'll see if I can link it down below through Amazon. But this is really helpful for your kids that are learning place value, and it literally goes all the way up to millions. And then on the back side here, it's thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths, thousands. So you can use these for a while, you guys. The next thing we have here is the Usborne Illustrated Dictionary of Math. Now this is for your older students. And it's the same as the elementary, it just breaks everything down for, you know, more advanced math. So this is such a great resource. So again, I'll have my store linked down below if you guys are interested. And you guys can always email me if you'd like. I'll have that down below as well. Here is an Usborne Measuring Things activity book. So discover all kinds of measuring with this exciting activity book crammed with puzzles, tips, and hands-on practice. So this is a really fun hands-on book for your kiddo to learn measurements. Cat. Now this is a number cards game. We have not played this. We got it for our morning basket, but it looks pretty fun. You basically want to have the lowest amount of cards to win. So this one looks really fun. So I'm hoping it's a good one. Next we have the Clumsy Thief. This is the crazy fast-paced money game. It's for ages 8+ and it's 3 to 6 players. This thing is actually really fun, you guys. It has these money cards, a criminal card, and a jail card. And you're basically wanting to make stacks of 100 and you can stop the criminal from taking the 100 by putting a jail card on top. It's just really, really fun and it's really fast. So this is a really good math game. Okay, you guys, so next we have the Usborne Lift the Flap Multiplying and Dividing. This has over 130 flaps to lift, so it makes it really engaging and fun for your kid because they're actually keeping their hands busy while reading. So it just walks you through different scenarios of how to come up with multiplying and dividing. So here they're just counting their spikes and they're doing it in different ways. Fives, okay, so 5 times 3 or 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 groups of 2 eggs, 2 times 3 equals, and then it just kind of walks them through in a fun way. So that is for multiplying. And then here is some dividing lift a flap pages. So it's actually a really cool, engaging way to get your kids to kind of love doing math if they're not really big on math. So we have this. Also have the lift a flap for fractions and decimals. So this just shows the different parts of numbers, fractions, pizzeria. So they would just read it and it kind of breaks it down for them so that they can see it instead of just trying to figure out an equation on a piece of paper. And then here are what are fractions. So it's just kind of cool how they use this to engage your kid. So it talks all about fractions and decimals in that book. We also have this money bingo. This is actually from the 99-cent store, you guys. It's for ages 5 plus and it's 2 to 8 players and it's all about money and counting. It's actually a really fun little bingo set. So you would just pull a card. It says 10 cents or dime. So you would look on here, you would see if you have 10 cents or a dime, and then you would place your little bingo chip on there if you had it. Or it would say 12 cents or equals 2 nickels and 2 pennies. So you would look for that. So that is our bingo. I'm not sure if they carry this exact one on Amazon. I'm not even sure if they have them in the 99-cent store anymore. I got these a few years ago and we love that game. I also picked up this time bingo and it's basically the same. So it has your bingo cards with the clock. You're gonna choose a card. It says 8:15 or a quarter past 8. So this is actually really cool because it helps with learning how to figure it out with saying a quarter past 8 instead of look for 8:15, and it's digital, so then they would look for it on the clock. So this one's actually a really good one also. So the next thing I have here is this See and Solve Fraction Calculator. I actually saw Erica from Busy Bees and Me, and I thought that this was so cool when my daughter starts getting into like real fractions. So I picked this up. This is through Amazon, and again, I'll link that one down below for you. I picked up this Scholastic Fun Flap Facts Multiplication. It's for grades 2 to 4, and it has 22 motivating manipulatives. So we have not used this yet just because she's not really getting into fractions that much in the curriculum she's using right now. You guys, this thing is so fun. I used to love cootie catchers when I was younger, and I just thought that this was just a fun little twist on hands-on learning. The next thing I have here are some dice, and I picked these up from the dollar spot at Target this year. So we'll be using these for some multiplication and adding, different little math games. We also picked up this educational keyboard multiplication. These are all of the family facts here, up to 9 family fact. So she would just simply be going through, say, her 4 family, and she would say 4 times 3 is 12, and then she would check it. 4 times 4 is 16, and then she would check it. So this one's really, really cool. I also picked up these original fraction dominoes. This is for ages 8 plus, grades 3 to 7, and it has, you can play 1 to 4 players. It's by Learning Advantage. I want to say I picked this up from, man, I don't know if it was Amazon or what, but they have these little pieces. We haven't played this one yet. Again, my daughter's not really that far into fractions yet. But I thought this would be so fun. Who loves dominoes, you guys? We used to play dominoes all the time when I was younger. And so I thought that this would be fun for all the kids. My 2nd grade niece won't be able to play this, but my older niece would with my daughter. So I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. It's Tick-Tock Clock. This is for grades 3 to 4. And this one's another clock game. It's, you guys, it is actually really, really, really cool. So it kind of beat my expectations. Now, it does look cheap. I will say that. So it just comes with this little board and these little tickets. So you would just simply pick a card and it would be a question. So Sarah is making dinner for Katie, but Katie won't be ready to eat until 7:30. If it takes Sarah 45 minutes to get dinner ready, what time should she start cooking? You guys, isn't that cool? So that is how all of these little questions are. It comes with these little mice that you can play with, and whoever gets from start to finish first wins. So that is our little Tick-Tock Clock game from the Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, sometimes you can find really good stuff at the Dollar Tree. All right, you guys, that is it. That is what we have for our math so far. And these things we've had for a while, and we will continue to use them throughout the years. And I hope that you guys found this helpful. Now, again, I will link some things down below for you guys, just in case you're interested in any of them. I hope that you enjoyed this and it was helpful. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I hope to see you back on my channel. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, you guys, for checking out this channel, and have a blessed day.